Hi guys, what do we got? Oh, we had a poof. We had a monkey, another monkey. Hi, poo poo. Oh, one bounce. Try again. Right behind you, right behind your bum. Did you find it? Okay, you found one. What about you guys? You don't seem overly interested in the peanuts. And where did the other guys go? There were two adults and a little guy. He's smaller than you. I think that might be your aunt and your cousin. Is that your aunt and your cousin? Did you want to come in? You could have been here too long. This tray's not entirely picked through yet. I think guy doesn't seem to care much about the peanuts, so he's all business. Right, little one? Hi. Who's that pretty face? Who's that pretty face? Oh! Snapping turtle. It went right under your chin, sweetie. Oh, he knows where it is. Oh, he's going to take it somewhere else to eat it. Trotting away. Did you see the little poof trotting? Hopefully I got enough of an angle on that to show some of that. He's just basically dancing, kind of like doing a trot, right? He's not interested in my company. A lot of that going around. And where's your mum? I'm going to have a seat with you. Is that okay? I'll give you a couple more just so you know I'm not coming after you. Even better, I'll give you some loose ones. There. I'm going to sit this way. If that's okay with you. I'm going to do some sorting while I get eaten alive by bugs. But that way I get to spend some time with you. Sound like a plan? Oh, you're still chomping away. Thought you'd be done with those by now. This other bag got finished. There we go. That should be enough to fill the tray. I guess I may as well keep the camera with me. How's that? Is that better? Hmm? Sweet little guy. Or girl. I think you're a guy. You're a little boy. Yeah. She looks like a 2X. No, that looks like it's been zoomed. There. That's actually how close you are. Right? Well, I'm supposed to be sorting peanuts here, but I don't know if I'm going to bother. I might just focus on you. Hmm? Now, I could have left the camera up in the tree. But if I left it up in the tree, then I wouldn't be able to get a full shot of you. And if anything else goes on in the yard, then I wouldn't be able to see it. Right? Yeah. If a fox showed up, I wouldn't be able to see him. Though I'd still have to get up and get his sandwiches though, wouldn't I? Hmm? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, yeah. Are you doing okay? I can give you a whole bunch more. Let's see. Is your mom going to come looking for you? Hmm? Hopefully your mom's okay, and your siblings are okay. Right? Now I could probably hand feed him, but I don't want to. I don't want to push my luck because attendance has been so scarce lately. I don't want to risk spooking him. Right? Yeah. Yeah, but wide angle. Oh, that's any better or any worse? How am I going to do this now without making a mess? Cool. Yeah. You put your bum down and set up camp. Hmm? Yeah, you set up camp. You awful sweetheart. Yeah, you are. No, get a poof. Can't see him on wide angle. Oh, he just went under the shed. I was going to zoom in and see if I could get him, but he was already gone. What's he doing? Hmm? You're awfully pretty. Yes. Do you know how pretty you are? Hmm? I probably could have patted them there, but I don't know. There's one of you that doesn't care if I'm patting them. Well, there's one that doesn't care, and there's one that tolerates it. I don't know which one you are. Yeah. Oh, you're almost out. Let me get you some more peanuts here. One sec, sweetie. Sorry, I didn't transfer hands very well. I guess I should just keep these on my lap. And you'll be my buddy as long as the peanuts are flowing, right? Isn't that how it works? Hmm? I keep forgetting to keep the camera pointed at him because I'm looking at him directly with my eyes, and then the camera tends to float off center. Right? Oh, a moth just went in my eye. That's a new one. And I have glasses on, so it's harder to get rid of it, right? Guess I can take them off anyway, can't I? You do something one way for 35 years, it's kind of tricky to stop doing it, right? Did you want to come in with me? Did you want to move in? You can stay here, and you can have 4 kitty siblings and 1 puppy sister. Did you want a puppy sister? I know raccoons love dogs. They love climbing all over them and torturing them. And the dogs are usually pretty tolerant. So what do you think? Does that seem like a plan? Oh, did you want some more? Oh, here. Sorry, sweetie. Here. Hey, sweetie. Well, I can't feed you peanuts all night here because you got to get some other food in you, and I don't know how long you've been here, so. You've been here a while. I wonder where the 2 poofs went. One went under the deck. Hi. One went under the deck and one went under the shed. Oh, a disappearing monkey. Hi. These are the snatch and grab males. Not worried about him, are you? No. He's just a big goof. Big turkey. Right? We don't need to worry about him. And that's the funny thing is the adult males pay no attention to the little ones, even when the little ones are snarling at them. It's especially funny when the little ones are going after their father, and they're all surrounded him, squealing at him, and he's pretending he doesn't know they're there. See? Hi. Are you the same guy that was just here? I don't think you are. No, I don't think you are. You're looking a little more hungry, aren't you? Hmm? Oh, I missed it. Mama's stealing from her children. And what do you think there, Wile E. Coyote? Guess that's one name we can't give you, is it? Isn't it? Hmm? That's on the no-fly list. I think you're the one that just filled up on peanuts, aren't you? I don't know, you look wetter than I remember. Poof leaving. I'm going to have to zoom out because your nose is on my phone. Hmm? Well, I must say, it does makes me feel a lot better seeing Indira with 3 monkeys, because she was here last night with 2, and I don't like seeing that. No, I don't. Well, I'm assuming he's traveling with you guys. Hmm? Num 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 num. Right?